Ableton just announced Live 12.2, and there's a bunch of fire features, including bounce to track, which we're going to take a look at here today. So we have two new commands, bounce track in place or bounce track to new audio. And bounce track in place is going to be replacing that freeze and flatten that we used to have. We still have freeze here, and it acts the same as it always did, but there is no flatten. So once that finishes here, if we go back in, you can see flatten does not exist. We can unfreeze or we can bounce track in place. So that is going to replace flatten there. But the new one is bounce to new track, which is going to go ahead and freeze and flatten that in a new lane for us. Boom, and there we go. So the cool thing about this too is what it's going to do actually is it's going to deactivate that. If we press 0 on the keyboard, we can activate or deactivate it, or you can right click and do it there as well. But the cool thing about this bounce to a new track is, let's say we just want to get, this last bar or so. On Windows, this is going to be Control Alt Shift and J, and on Macs, Command Option Shift and J. And there it goes, baby. We can do just that section. So this can be super useful, especially if you want to reverse one of these parts or add a little effect to it in just this spot. There's so many use cases for this. And bouncing is performed pre-mixer and post FX. So any effects or processing that you have on that track will be included. And bounce files will be stored in a bounce folder now in the Ableton project hierarchy. These new features are insane, but if you really want to master Ableton from a beginner all the way to an industry pro, with updated courses, tutorials, project racks, effect racks, drum kits, and more. Not available anywhere else, by the way. Feel free to check out the Audio Hacker Academy at audiohacks.store. And if you want to see all of the other features and updates included in Ableton 12.2, check out this live stream where I literally break everything down.